I want to show you how the bed works. The bed right now has a king size mattress on it. Also has king size sheets and so forth. We'll usually do that for you beforehand. And then you just lift up underneath and it'll automatically lift up. And you got some extra storage in here or some extra bedding. So we have the extra bedding here. This bedding right here goes over to the kitchen area and acts as the cushion for where the kitchen table is. This you can use there. We also got some extra blankets there. And then to shut it, just let it go, it'll shut. We usually have pillows either inside of here or up inside the top and back over here as well. Did we put them up in this top? Oh, well,
I think so. No, we put them down here.
Oh, we put them down here. So down in here, let me show you how the bedding works. This right here, there's a little clip underneath here. So this clip, you're gonna push this way, and then you're gonna lift up, and it's a futon. It's gonna fold right out. If I were to pull it out more, it'll fold right out. This bed over here, all you need to do is just unscrew this. This table lies inside of these grooves, and then that pad that's underneath that master bedroom will go in the middle of this and act for your bed on this side. So you got your bed on this side and your bed on this side, and then you got your bed in the back.